Hello everyone, welcome to this new video of OOPS. As we were working on the interfaces, so now we will be turning out to learn a very new concept. Why we are using interfaces, we had a basic concept about that, how to create an interface, how to implement the methods of it, but now the most important use of interfaces to achieve the concept of multiple inheritance. How? Let me just check it out and show you. So firstly, I will be creating an interface. I'll be taking very basic examples so that you guys can have an understanding for that. And in this I1 interface, I will be taking a method over here that is show method. I am not defining it obviously because it is an abstract method, right? Secondly, I will be again taking another interface as I2. And in this I2, I'll be taking the same name method that is show. We can take different methods as well, but because we are here to show how does multiple inheritance is achieved using the concept of interfaces. So now, what does multiple inheritance means? That is, there should be multiple parents and there should be one child, right? So now here as well, we have parent 1 as the interface 1. We have parent 2 as the second parent, right? Now we need a single child. We need a child. So how we are going to do that? I will be creating another interface, I3, okay? Now the concept was that if this is a child class or child, we can say child interface, it should implement both of the interfaces concept, right? How is now it going to do? I will write down over here extends, to which it is extending I1 and I2. Okay, so you can see when we were working in the concept of classes, we were not able to achieve that, right? Why? Because we cannot achieve the concept of multiple inheritance using classes. Reason being, when you were inheriting the properties of different classes, there was an ambiguity that of which class that particular method or is going to execute if they are of the same name, right? But here let me show you the thing. Because I3 is extending I1 and I2, and I1 is having just the method declaration, show method declaration. Similarly, I2 is also having the declaration only, no definition, right? Therefore, it means that I3 is also having internally only one method, the same method, so the same name it is having, right? I may not be declaring, please have a look over here. I may not be declaring over here the concept of show. I will be just declaring another method, name as display method. Now, where we are going to give the definitions, definitely in a particular class. So I'll be implements I3. Obviously, I will not be implementing I1. I will not be implementing I2, but I will be implementing I3 because I have to show multiple inheritances being achieved. So how? So because class and objects to class will implement I3, it means it has to implement the unimplemented methods. Which are the unimplemented methods? The show method and the display method. Let's have a look over here. If you can see over here, there is a simple show method, single one, no duplicate methods are allowed, right? And the display method. Now you can just give definitions to both of these methods as per your requirement and needs. I will just write it down. And after that, I'll be just creating the objects of it. OB is equal to new. After that, OB dot show and OB dot display, right? This is the very simple example showing that we can achieve multiple inheritance using the concept of interfaces. You just have to declare the method, and because of this thing only we are able to inherit both of these interfaces, and there will be internally only one method. The same name will be there. There is no ambiguity now which implementation it has to inherit. It will just inherit the name of the methods, and whatever class will implement that interface, it will just implement that method by its own way requirement. Okay, this is how we are going to achieve multiple inheritance in Java. Hope you guys understand. Thank you very much.